Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is Mario's Tech. Back in this video, I'm going to be directing you guys how you can be setting up. We have Econet in Zimbabwe, APN settings that can that are faster, that those tech guys don't want you to know. They are the fastest. We are going to be connecting direct to a satellite. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Those Zimbabweans gather here. I'm going to be showing you something. So I'm going to be opening up my phone settings. So come where you have your settings and then open them up. And then on your phone settings, you're going to go where you have the search bar. Some phone settings have the search bar right there on the top corner. You are free also to challenge them by going there. So I'm going to search for mobile network, and then I'll be going that one. But for me, I'm going to go this thing without searching the manual way, step by step. I'm going to go where we have the dual SIM and mobile network on this device. And then I'm going to go where I have my Econet SIM card, which is SIM 1 Econet. And then I'll be setting it up. I'm going to be looking for where I have access point name. I'm going to choose that one. I'm going to come where I have that one, the plus button. On some devices, the plus button will be appearing here. So I'm going to choose that one. But let me choose on my device. So the name, it will be Econet like that. Zimbabwe. No. Econet satellite. Set light. The SP. Set light. And then the APN, it will be IMS. And then I'm going to go where I have the authentication type. Then I'll choose PAP or CHAP. And then the APN type, I'll leave it as default. Then I'll save. And then the APN protocol will be IPv4/IPv6. Even that one, IPv4/IPv6. The bearer, I'm going to select all. And then after selecting all, I'm going to go back. And then I'll go where we have, I'm going to come right here where I have the save button. Then I'll be saving. Those will be my APN settings for Econet satellite from Mario's Tech Labs. I sign out.